The Premium King room measures up at a very generous 500 square feet. The hardwood floors gave the room a very clean look and feel. The decor was early Western with a few modern twists. This large standard room comes with 2 comfy chairs next to the window. The bedside comes with plenty of charging ports and an old school digital alarm clock. There is also a landline and stationary. There was also an indoor dining area for 2. This room also comes with a 50-inch 4K LG flat screen mounted. The room also comes with a pair of the old school fun books with coupons inside, like get a free glass of beer, get a free glass of wine with a purchase. You get the idea. If you can remember these, you're old. There's also a mini fridge tucked away in here for your own personal use. This place is so old school, the workstation comes with a second landline. However, this area doubles as a vanity area. The view wasn't anything special. It was mostly desert sky and Las Vegas Boulevard South. In the closet is where you'll find your safe, ironing board, and complimentary slippers to wear down to the pool. The bathroom comes with plenty of counter space and all the expected amenities, plus a Keurig coffee maker. Very nice. And what's really cool about this bathroom is that the tub, shower, and toilet all come in its own water closet. However, there were only 2 sets of towels. That's calling it a little tight. It was a really nice, clean shower tub area with plenty of hot water pressure. Thanks for watching. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications for future videos.